There are different techniques of selecting. First technique of selecting with select tool from large tool set. Hold and drag from right to left, thus from right to left. If I drag like thus, if selecting boundary touched any shape, it will be selected. We will notice that this pyramid will be selected with this small touch, and any shape touched or located in the boundary is selected. Which are these shapes? Click in a space to unselect all. Second technique is selecting and dragging from left to right, like this. We note that selecting boundary is touching some shapes, but they will not be selected. What will be selected are shapes that located fully within the boundary. We will note that these three shapes are selected, and they was located fully within the boundary. This is the difference between the two techniques. I will show you other technique. Copy this shape. With move tool, take a copy of it. Choose the tool or press M as shortcut. Then press Ctrl. From any point, copy it. After that, extrude this shape. Right click, extrude, press spacebar, and click in an empty space. Another selecting technique. Select this face with one click. If click, double click the face and its edges are selected. Unselect those. If click, triple click, all connected geometry is selected, including faces and edges.